Concrete canyon in the desert heat, holding back a river that won't admit defeat. Tall and proud, you steal the show. Hoover Dam, you're the star of the flow.
You hum with power, you sing with might,
turning water to sparks and day into light. Oh, Hoover, mighty Hoover, a wall that never bends. You hold the wild Colorado and make the canyon your friend. Arizona whispers, Nevada cheers. You've stood your ground for all these years. Tourists snap their selfies wide as the river dreams on the other side.
A river's tantrum caught mid-spin, tamed by hands of men and wind.
Your turbines whirl the constant